Welcome to Wassell's Wonderful Wildlife. So I'm here at a place used to be called the Tip. You don't hear that word anymore, but this was the Tip, Walthamstow Tip. And if you just come around here quickly, we're on the Daggenham Brook here now, next to the allotments. And an interesting thing here is that the allotments are actually slightly lower, but roughly the lay of the land how it should be, because I've covered this before. Anywhere in the world, due to glacier Iceland times, you go down, you get a sharp incline, and then you're on a fluvial glacial floodplain that was carved out thousands of years ago. So we're on the floodplain here because it's flat, so you go down and it's flat, totally flat. So you see here it's slightly down. Obviously people have been digging and taking soil out and plants out, so that's slightly lower. We've just had a lot of rain, and it's amazing to see the sunshine out in this unpredictable weather, but we just had a really heavy storm, and you can hear that the drains are still. It's amazing how quickly the weather changes, but we can still hear the drains doing the work. When you look to the Daggenham Brook, which is over here, it's interesting that it's hardly moving because it's yet to respond to the last intake we've had. But what is more fascinating, that's like nothing. But what is more fascinating is if you compare that level of that base of the Daggenham Brook to the base of the cricket ground over there, the Daggenham Brook is actually higher than the cricket ground. And if you see the lay of the land here, it comes up, okay, and then goes down a little bit and then goes down again, which obviously indicates yet again that the Daggenham Brook was man-made channel, a drainage channel going back pre-Victorian times to stop all of Walthamstow, Essex, and Leighton, Essex, and Leytonstone. Did we go to Leytonstone? Anyway, down to the mill by Asda to stop the sewage, open sewers, before the Victorians put the open sewers in. The drainage in, and that's why a lot of the time when you follow the Daggenham Brook, you'll see actually the Victorian drainage follows, and obviously standing right behind the old original pump house, which is a sewage pumping thing, and many pipes here actually go over. There's gas and there's mains and there's other stuff. This used to be a bomb disposal zone here. There's a lot of contaminated land which goes back, generally all the waste and all that. You've got the refuse over there, all the waste, tip, disposal, recycling and all that is all based around here. But if you look at the incline on that, yet again, I'm going to repeat this, is the fact that the Daggenham Brook, the level of that is higher than the base of the cricket ground there, which would obviously indicate it's man-made, because if it wasn't man-made, it would flow by gravity and it would cut through there, which obviously is impossible because the height of that land is higher, which indicates that is man-made. And if you go down there again, you see it go back up, which indicates again that that's man-made as well. I know that there's waste and all that spoil in there, but it's quite interesting. Always look at the lay of the land, and if you've got water higher than a low part of the land, it would indicate that man has sort of got involved and it's not gravity fed. Talking about gravity fed, all these drains now are heading that way, like everything does. And well, that's it for Walthamstow Tip. Join us, Wassell's Wonderful Wildlife.